Okay, Stu, you're going to get a ticket for all the times that you were cranky to me today. Okay? 1, 2, you need to accept the ticket. Thank you. 3, you were cranky at least 3 times to me today. Here you go. You don't think you were? Okay, well, I'm going to put it here for you. 5, no. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how many times you were cranky to me today. Do you accept all these tickets? Do you accept them all? Okay, good job.